Guys, remember, keep me reminded when we start new session.
Zakit, even instead of Zoom, Microsoft Teams can also work now. That will not means it. There is no time limit for that. I
Microsoft
think.
Team. Okay, I will try that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Try once that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you. I will see
yeah,
that. Okay. How to use it,
yeah.
and recording is possible there.
That I don't know.
Recording
So
is not
online
possible there.
school, yeah, online school is going on that Microsoft
Okay.
Team.
Okay.
Yeah.
I believe recording is
Uh,
not possible.
Okay.
okay. So okay. Anyway, just
You will
fraction of
share
sec.
this file, right?
Yeah, I will
Today's
share
file.
this. Yeah. Share. I will share this file. Okay. Here, when I will run this, see that it is a temporary result. Just remember this, it is a temporary result, it's not modifying our original. When I will run this, they see now this new item is not added here. Okay, to do this, if you want to add this, then what I have to do, I have to reassign these values in our my list, same list. If I will assign, if I will put some other variable, then it will assign this value in some other variable, but we are assigning reassigning in this same variable or object, then it will reassign this. Now my list will be changed. Now I will run this, see that our original list, my list has been changed. Okay, so remember this, if I will perform this concatenation, then it will not add, it will just show by adding as a temporary result. But if I want to change it permanently, then I have to reassign this. This is called reassigning. Okay, clear? If I want to replicate my list as many times we want, so just multiply it with a number as many times you want. Okay, see that same list is created as a list in two times. Each and every each and every element is repeated two times, a string. Okay, if I will put here
Hey
10,
Saket, what is tuple?
yeah, I will cover it. See here, we already have tuples. Okay, see it 10 times repeated. Okay, so as many times you want to repeat it, these are the functionality. Okay, yeah, it's also a temporary result. It's also a temporary result, it's just showing as a temporary result. Okay, if you want to make it permanent change, then just reassign it. But since we have not reassigned it, so it's just a temporary result. When I will print this one, then it will show again our original result. Okay, now some list method, these are the very important. So many times it will be used in our machine learning and all these things. Suppose that I have created a new list. Okay, and here I am appending a string. Okay, append, what append will do, it will just add at the last of the string. It will just add this string at the last position. Okay, this is the functionality of append. And if I will print this, see that this one has added at the last position. Now what is the pop? Pop, uh, you might have heard this word in also data structure, pop, push in the stack and queue. Okay, pop, what it will do, pop will delete an element from the position we pass here. Since I have passed here 0th index, then what it will do, it will remove the 0th element from the 0th index. Okay, Yeah, sorry. Okay, so I have passed here 0 as a index, then it will remove uh, your first 0, whatever the element present at the 0th index. Okay, so when I will run this, okay, what it will, it is giving here 1. Okay, so it will return you the popped element. Popped element means removed element. So since it has removed 1, and it, so in result it will return the removed element. Got my point? It will not return the list after removing. Okay, it will return the removed element after saying, after removing. Just see that one is not there. Okay,
It is
now,
equal to list now. When we call list any number from the line, so we call it like.
yeah, tell me again. Hello.
Yeah, you know that pop off is like as good as we call any item from the list function. So it is doing the same thing.
See, you are
Like you know, we
using
have
this
list
pop.
function when we call any item from any.
See, you are using this pop to call any item, but in actual, what it will do, it
Okay.
is just removing the element and giving that element to you. Okay, so in that
Okay.
manner you are understanding. Okay, but in actual,
Okay.
what it is doing, it is just removing this element and it's giving you. If I will store this returned element, okay, returned element in some variable, and you will print that variable, that element will be stored, the removed element will be stored in this popped item. Just see that. Okay, nothing given na? Because already whatever it has
Yeah.
returned, it is just got stored in the popped item. When I will run this one, it will give you the, wow, you can ask me, why it's given this last one. Why? Because I haven't passed anything as an index in this pop method as an argument. Since I haven't passed, then by default it will remove the last one. So you can say that by default popped index is -1. -1 is also same as na last index of the last element, or you can say or last element. If I will
Yeah.
pass -1 here, -1 here, then it will give also same result. See that. I'm very sorry, because already it removed Saket Tandan from here, and in the original list only 2 3 we have, and again I run this query, then
Yeah.
it gave me 3. Got my point now? If I'll, okay, no problem, you got, I think. Otherwise I have to run all, to rectify this, I have to run all this previous code.
No, I
Okay.
got it.
Okay, now again I'm using this list, creating another list. Okay, and just creating, okay, running. Now what is reverse function? It will nothing, it will do, uh, it is again it's showing me the result, temporary result, by reversing this string, but in actual it is not reversing the list. Okay, it is just giving me a result. If you store again reassign it, then it will temporarily, permanently it will change. But if I suppose that if in any in our work, suppose that if I have to get the reverse of a string, then what I will do, I will assign it to a value, and I will run this code. Okay, right, and when I will print this a, and when I will run this code, oh sorry, very sorry, it is nothing but it will just reverse the string. Okay, when you will run this code. Okay, and when again, yeah, sorry, I'm very sorry, it will reverse the string permanently. Okay, very sorry, this is permanent, I have written already, and why I got confused, sorry. Okay, it will make it list in a reverse manner permanently. Is it clear? Yeah, is it clear? Anyone there?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Hmm. Now if I want to sort means based on the alphabetical order, A will be come as first position, then B, then E, then X. If I want to sort, either list contain a string or number, I can sort them. But there is a question in your mind: if my list is a heterogeneous, means it is containing a string as well as a number, then how it will perform sorting? In that case, sorting will not be uh, performed. Okay, it will give syntax error, it will show some error like you cannot perform this sorting operation on this type of list. Okay, so sorting is possible only when your list is a homogeneous, means a similar type of data are present in your list. Either it will be purely integer, float or a string. Integer or float will be same. Integer and float, there will be no problem, but a string and integer, or a string with integer or a string with float will not be entertained by this function sort method. Okay, here. Okay, see this. All yeah,
Hello, Saket.
yeah,
So that when we give the reverse command, then it will be reverse permanently. Okay.
yeah,
And
reverse permanently.
yeah, new underscore list dot sort. Then it is again coming as previously we have given the same thing.
Yeah, this one you are asking.
Yeah.
See
Yeah.
that, see that what.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I did here, I have reversed it. Okay, initially I took this one list. Okay, and then I reversed it, and after reversing, our new list will be converted as this way.
Yeah.
Okay, and now what I am doing here, this one and this one is not same here. What I have performed here, sorting, then A B C E X, but is this same? A B C X, not na, it's not
No.
same. Okay, so
Sorting means it is the arranging in a order.
alphabetical order.
It's like that.
Acha, yeah,
Uh,
exactly. If you will give here, suppose that if uh, suppose I will create a new tab to make you understand. If I will give a list like A, okay, if I will pass here
yeah.
1, this is heterogeneous type of list, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, list will
Yeah.
be created, no problem. But when I perform A dot sort, A dot A dot sort, and when I run this code, it will give error. Okay,
Error. Okay.
not supported. Why? Because
Yeah.
instances of int and string. Okay, so
String. Okay.
for
Yeah.
sorting you
Yeah.
have to uh, do this carefully.
Yeah. Okay.
Now what is this function count? See here, 10, what I am passing here, 10. It will count the number of occurrences of this passed element. I am passing here 10, then it will search here, is there any 10? If it will get, if it will get suppose that two tens in this list, then it will print 2. If it will not get anything, no any 10 here na, so it will print 0. Okay, if I passed here a, okay, then it will search here how many a's are there in the list. Since 1, then it will pass 1. If suppose, okay, I will run this same code again, so make you how it works. There is no 10 here, that's why it's giving. There is a count of one
Pass and
minute.
string.
What, what's up?
String. New list dot count. A it should be passed as a string.
Yeah, exactly. Very, thank you. I think I missed. Yeah, thank you. We have to pass as a string. Okay, it count. Suppose if I create a string as a is equal to, okay, and for understanding, I'm just taking it as an example. A dot, then it will give 2. Okay, got my point. So what is the output? It will count the number of occurrences whatever we have passed. If I will put here integer 1 comma 2 comma 1 3, oh sorry, we have to pass only integer. Okay, append function, append object. Yeah, we can append entire list in the list. Okay, since we are passing a list of numbers, then it here it will append after 3, not, see, after running this code you will get clear cut explanation. It it has just added entire list in this list as a element. Okay, already I have already told about append how it works. It will just add this whatever we are passing at, it will add at the last position. Okay, and yeah, one more thing. If you will pass here, if you will pass here a string, then what it will do, this is called iterable. So what it will do, it will iterate your entire string, and it will break in a character wise, it will break it in a character wise manner, and then it will keep on append. Means it will first read it its first character and it will append, then again it will read second character and then append. This way it will keep on appending. Okay, if I will pass here, see this, first it will keep on iterating here. Okay, in first iteration it will add s, in second iteration it will add a, in third iteration, this way it, this extend method will work. Okay, is it clear?
In above condition, it is showing square bracket 4 and
Yeah,
5.
yeah, this is another function, this is append function. In append we have written
Yeah.
whatever we are passing, it will get stored in the last position of your list. This is extend function, and in extend function we are
Okay.
passing here a string, and it work how it work, it will keep on iterating on each character and adding character by character. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah. And one more question.
Hmm.
When we use square bracket and that normal bracket means this difference I'm not getting when, because suppose in this condition x equal to, you have mentioned square bracket 1 comma 2
Yeah,
comma 3,
this is the
so
list.
instead of square bracket,
Yeah,
uh,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay, and then if it I'm giving the round bracket, then
Huh,
it will
tuple,
come normal.
tuple,
Okay, yeah,
tuple. We will
yeah, yeah,
see the
okay,
tuple, and when
yeah,
you will get curly bracket, that is the syntax of dictionary.
yes, yes, okay,
Okay.
yeah,
There is not much difference between tuple and list. I will also talk about that. A list is called list is called mutable, and tuple is called immutable. You cannot change the value in the tuple. Okay, we will learn this also.
okay,
Okay, and what it will do here, new list. Okay, wait 1 minute. From somewhere I created this. Okay, so what this index function will do, this is called function or method, you can say that. Okay, so this index function will do, it will search this is whatever we are passing here, it will search in this list and it will give its index. So it's very handy function. Suppose that you have you have a sentence having 100 words, and you want what is the position of that word. So in rather to count the position of word 0 1 2, you can just simply you can use this function and you can get its at what position that word is there in your document. Okay, so these all things will be handy in our text mining and all these things. Okay, since our list have doesn't have since our list doesn't have this 12, then it will what it will give, 12 is not error, it will give. Okay, remove, what it will remove will do, remove method remove the first occurrence. See here, I am passing here 3, but 3 is 2 times. So what it will do, it will delete the first occurrence. If it is present is only one time, then no matter, it will delete it. If it is present then more than one time, then it will delete its first occurrence. If you got confused that how I'm not getting why, so you can write here 4 and see that.
One comma is extra. In
So
code, there is one
here,
extra comma.
okay, this is not needed. Is it clear? It
Yeah.
removed this one.
yes,
nesting list. This is very important. Nesting list. We are created list inside list. Suppose that we have created this three list. Okay, 1 2 3 3 list, and we are storing these list. Okay, these list inside another list.
One
I have
question.
called it as a matrix. Okay.
Hello,
Hello.
Saket, one question. If we want to remove all the threes, then it is only removing only first occurrence.
Yeah, yeah.
If we
Then
want to remove all the three, yeah.
uh, then see that for that, mm, we have to write some function. Okay, custom function. If you want to remove all your three, then what I will do, I can do one thing. We have another method na, we have already read na how to remove element. Okay, how to remove
Yes.
element, like pop will remove from last one. mm,
Pop off.
Count. See, we can write like that. uh, we can do this way. Okay, we will write some function or code like this. For, I'm just showing, you asked me question, that's why. For, okay, for I in alien len है ना, list, list, this this for loop will run len number of times. How many number of times? Whatever the length of list. Okay, and it will each iteration it will check. Okay, I, if I is equal to 3, right, then pop. Okay, if I is equal to
Saket,
3.
why you keep giving colon? That at the
Yeah,
end,
this is
because it's a
syntax
continuation.
na. Yeah, yeah, this is no continuous, no.
Okay.
After this one, for loop.
Finishing of the line.
Yeah, yeah. No, in case of for loop we have to write this
Okay.
indentation. That's why it is taking already indentation. If condition, I have to write this. Okay, we will read this. Okay, if I is equal to 3, then it will pop. If I is equal to not 3, then we have passed na this element. If I want to uh, remove element, then it will remove na. See that, remove.
It is giving me error. Int object is not iterable. I think length will give the int object. Is it iterable?
Yeah, yeah, length for I, 1 minute, length in, I'm sorry, this is called rand integer. Well, I will see that. Okay, how to remove
Okay,
all
okay.
the.
We will check. And same in
Yeah,
the case of index, I have a doubt. How to find the index of all the trees? So we will
which
check it.
index?
We'll means index will also give the first position of three. No? First index of three, I think. Index means index method function you told us in the list. It will give the index of the item.
Yeah, index of the item, exactly.
So it will give the first index value of 3. If I want to find out all the index value of 3, then it is not possible with that. So how to find that, we'll explore it. Or if you know, if there is any direct function, just tell me.
Okay, okay. Direct function is not there.
You got
Okay,
you got my question now?
yeah, I got it. Okay,
Okay.
so I noted all, both of your question. Okay, and I will give you the function or code for that. Okay,
Many
sure.
thanks.
Okay, you want to remove this one and this one, and you want to remove you want to index of all these three, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now nesting list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, we have and stored in the list, so it's containing list inside the list. Okay, and this is matrix, and 0 0, what does it mean? This first bracket will show that in this matrix go to the first element. What is first element here? List 1. Then it will go to the first element at the index 0. Then again we give here again one index value in our square bracket. Then inside this list it will go to the 0th element. Okay, so this will print 1. Okay, like that, it how it will look after running, you will understand. Okay, it got stored, and if you see how matrix look like this one, this list 1 having this list, this list 2 having this list, this list 3 having this list, it got stored like this. And here we are passing 0, then it will go to the this bigger list. In the bigger list it will go to the first list. Okay, and when again we are passing here 0, it means inside this list, inside the first list it will go to the first element, so it will print 1. If I will pass here, let's see it, it will print 1. If I'll pass here 1, then see it, it is giving 2. Okay, it will go to the first list, and then inside the first list what is the element at the first position? 2. So it is printing here 2. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now this is the list comprehension. List comprehension is very important, very important. I will show you a practical example also right now. So same thing I created here. What it's doing here, see, for loop row in matrix it will iterate for each element in matrix. In this matrix we have three elements: list 1, list 2, list 3, right? List 1, list 2, list 3. So for this, now what we are doing, this row is containing in first iteration, this row is containing, let me take this one even. In your first iteration this row is containing is equal to this list. Okay, and inside this list what we are doing, row of 0 means this list's 0th element we are storing in this list. Since we have used this square bracket, means whatever the result this is returning, we are storing in a list. Okay, so what it will return in first iteration, what is containing in the 0th position of this list? 1. So it stored 1. Okay, again in second iteration row is pointing to which one? This one. Row is pointing to this one. Okay, now row is pointing to this one, and at this position we are again retrieving the 0th index value. Then what is the 0th index value again? 4. So it will get stored as a 4 here. In third iteration, since we have three elements in our matrix now, so in third iteration same way, so it will store 7 in the list. Okay, and we are storing this result in this one, and we are printing it So it is giving this result. This way flow will go. Okay.
So are we running loop?
What?
We are
Again?
running loop here for
Yeah,
loop.
yeah, we are running loop here, for loop. Okay, just tell me, if I want to write these all elements as a list, what should I write? Anybody can just logic give me, anybody who want to
We'll
try.
give you. We'll
You
type
put pass one
first
list, row 0, row 1, row
number.
2.
Yeah,
Row
exactly.
0, comma, row 1, comma, row 2.
Exactly. So what I will do, this same, okay, same thing I am doing here. Okay, now see that this is double loop I am going. How flow is going, I will explain here. In your first iteration, this row is pointing to this one here. 1 minute, I should change this color. This row is pointing to this one. Okay, now this row is, what is this? This is list one, na? So it is pointing this one. Now in this list we are again run a for loop inside this. Okay, so for I in row, what is row here in first iteration? This one. So it will iterate 3 times, since it has 3 elements, na? So it will iterate 3 times. So for first iteration of I, what is I containing here? 1, and this one is placed inside, since I have used this one, right? Since I have used this one, so this list will store what? 1. Again the inside loop, again it will run. Now in second iteration, this I will store what? This one, 2. Okay, sorry, 2. Then 3, same, third iteration. Now once this iterated all its element, then it will again flow go to this loop. It means this one. Okay, so in second iteration, this row contain your this list exactly. 1, sorry, 4, 5 and 6, and same method again. I will iterate 3 times and it will store 4, 5, 6. This way control of the loop will go. Clear?
Saket, can we pass string in place of list here?
Yeah, you
If
can
we,
use a string also, no problem. Okay, you can try by string, and same method I have written by here, what I am doing here. So let me make you understand. Same thing, same process I have done by this technique. What it is doing, let me explain it. Just first I will clear it. I'm very sorry, I speak very slowly to make you people understand better. It's boring, I know that.